Yeah, check short, guys. Here it is, 2014 Charger, guys. I was summoned out here. I have a new key right here. I got a program for this car. It was towed in. It was put right here. There's only one problem, guys. The only way to program the key is I have to get in it. All right, now I cannot get in it, guys. The door is locked. Now keep in mind, when you get one of these keys, you're gonna get an insert, the steel blade part as well. So I was thinking if they cut me the steel blade part, I would be able to get in it. This part right here. But again, this is jammed up. Somebody tried to steal this car and I can't get in it. The other side do not have a key. Uh-oh. Now if the trunk have a way, oh, see, the trunk don't even have a key slot to get in. Gotta find a way to get in here, guys. Guess we're gonna have to find a way to use a theft kit of some sort to bend this back and get down there. That's my only other option, guys. Have to get in here in order to program the key, send this customer on his way. So I gotta go to plan B. I don't know what plan B is. I'll figure something out, guys. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm finna try to get in here. Wish us luck. Maybe you're a good thief, bro. It's like a heart transplant thing. It blows up, doesn't it? Ah, come on, man. Ah, vacation. We got 2 hours. They had to shut it down. So we're getting all that overtime. Yeah, they like that. People gonna break us. They gonna send us down. You reaching for the lock, the lock. Oh, there you go. Oh, you almost got. Ah!
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Come on, baby. Wake up. Ah! Alrighty, guys. We in. Alright. Now the battery's not dead. As you can see, I got lights, but I do not have run. You cannot get run. That's because there's no key. Okay, the car company is not just gonna give your car run capability if there's no key involved. I have a key, but I have to program this first. And I am gonna try. First of all, I got to pull this off. So if I can't pull this off, nothing else matters. I shouldn't run into the problem. This is a car. This is 2014. It has a RFH module, radio frequency hub, I want to say. So that hub was giving a 4-digit PIN code that this key has to be programmed to. And a lot of guys always ask me, where do you get your code? The only place I know, guys, is any particular Chrysler, Jeep, or Dodge, Ram dealership, parts department. Now, will they just give you your code? I think you got to have proof of ownership or something like that. I'm not sure, but it's your code you're entitled to. And be careful, because the newer the car, the less likely your code gonna last. Like they call them rolling skim code. And the code's not gonna last forever. Like I said, it's depending on the year of the car. Like a 2012 model, that code is married to your car, so you can just keep it in the glove box. All right, so let me get this thing programmed. I don't even know if this car run, guys. Remember, it was towed in. Yes, I'm not afraid. I'm gonna try to upsell this. We didn't do no damage to the door trying to get in it. First, we had to get in it. All right, so I need my recording device to actually access the RFH module. And remember, guys, I said this before, I'm gonna say it again. This is a good feature that they put in place, because I don't know of any other way you could have done it. Imagine if you come to a car to program it and you must go into the run position. Okay, you have to go into the run position in order to program. That would be bad, because if that's the case, you need a key to get into the run position. If the key is lost, that point is irrelevant, right? Right. So they make it to where the RFH module is still alive on the bus network, even with power being lost. Not power being lost, but you're not in the run position. So if I hook up my scan tool now and try to access the modules, there's a couple of modules that will be actively alive on the bus. Blue means you're alive. Red means, of course, you're dead. Not, so to speak, dead, but because there's no power supply, it's not showing alive. So yes, that is a good feature to have. Thank goodness RFH is still alive on the bus, even in the off position. Okay, now I'm talking too much. Let me get this key program. I need my recording device. Y'all stay tuned. I'll try to get you some screenshots. All right, let's get it. Well, guys, as you saw, key program successfully. Now, this is the first time I'm cranking it. Let me see if it'll start. Let me see if yeah, that worked. All right, here we go. Feet on the brake, and starts. Not that I had doubts. It's just I didn't know if it'll start. First time starting it since it was told here. I hear ticking. Can you say 3.6 pentastar maybe? Yep. Alrighty. Now, there was only towed in for a key, guys, but you know me and the rules here. We have to look this thing over, see if there's anything. That might be from it's been sitting for a while. Remember, guys, if your car's set a couple of days, 3-4 days without running, all the oil will try to drain, by default, drain back to the oil pan. No matter what kind of anti-drain back valves attached to it, it's just nature. Over time, all of the oil that's in your heads and everything will make its way back to the oil pan. See, it's quieting down a little bit. So yeah, don't panic if you start your car 3 days later and it's making a ticking noise. All right, so let me go dry this thing. Oil filter adapter housing look like somebody just replaced that. So, hey, guys, look like we had some front end damage. That looked like a new cradle. So be careful what you dig into. It might don't open up a can of worms. All right, that's all I have, man. Unless something else pop up. So let me go dry this thing. See what happens. Y'all stay tuned.